So welcome back to What Karen Loves. I'm here with my son Ethan. We're going to be doing some ornaments. I figured that would be something fun we could do together. He's got this guy, which is the Buzz Lightyear. So let's get open. Let's open your first. You want to open your first?
Yeah.
Okay. I figured it'd be fun to do it together.
Yeah, this is not you real.
Okay.
Not you real yet.
Alright. There we go.
Yeah.
Oh, here's some little guys. We need to keep these. Make sure they don't get disappeared. There's little things you got to put on here so that way you can hang them up on the tree. You put those in the tree. You can put them on the tree.
No.
You can hang them on the tree when you get done with them. Here, you want to color? You can color them. Go ahead. Whatever you want to do, you do it. Okay. Oh, I almost lost the thing. Let's see, we got. I used to love doing these. I haven't done these in a while. I haven't seen them in a while until recently. So I'm like, ooh, let's do some ornaments for the tree, because why not, right? You need help? Here. Those are kind of hard to get open, aren't they? Alright. Alright, we got Santa. We got Rudolph.
We see.
Santa? Oh, here's Santa. Here's your Rudolph Christmas tree. There's an angel. And then here's a wreath.
Yeah,
I was going to do a wreath, but I figured this would be kind of fun. Me and him could do it together. And, you know, something fun. Right? Ooh, that looks pretty. He likes coloring, so.
I need those. I need another one. I need to move those.
It's pink. Okay. I got some water sitting right here in case I might eat it. Alright, we got a stocking. We got a snowman. See, I can't remember what these are called, to be honest. It's going to bug me all day now. Alright, which one should I do first? Then we got this little cute teddy bear one, which is kind of cool. So, that's cool. Make sure this is still recording. I can't tell, but it looks like it might be. Okay. Alright, I gotta make sure this is still recording. Alright, it's still recording. Okay. Alright, which one I want to do first? Let's take off this thing. Because Mama's kind of hot. Okay. Right. What's he doing?
Box.
Oh, you want to look at the box? Okay. Look at the box.
Oh.
Alright. Which one do I want to do first? Let's do...
We do have black. We do have black.
Yeah, there's no black. I don't know why, but they don't have a black. I guess it's because, you know, it's colors.
Yeah, it's in his mouth. Or this is...
Just make it any color, buddy. You don't have to do it like it. Do whatever you want.
This, yeah, I mean he means. Blue.
I'm going to do this one first.
I'm going to make blue and means... Oh, green. Green. That is how
You know what?
yeah, green is what? Whoa, making it. I'm so making it.
No, any of these are not going to be perfect because I'm not that good, so. But it's the fun that matters, right? The fun.
That's the working.
Okay?
Green is that. I'm still waiting on Buzz.
Yeah.
Not right there. Buzz. Not orange. Purple is his face. Purple is his face.
You got a purple for his face?
Yeah, right there. Right here.
Mm-hmm.
And his ears.
Okay.
I see you. I see.
Do you like Buzz Lightyear?
Yeah.
Or Toy Story?
the on him is only purple on him. That. I am eating size. Whoa.
Yeah.
That's the wording. I'm gonna make this purple like his wings.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I need that on there. That's it. There, that is. That is.
You have fun over there?
Mm-hmm. What are you doing?
I'm just coloring the
I see.
stocking.
I see.
It's not the best, but it'll work.
I still want the buzz. This is green.
Not perfect, but it's cute. It's not, it doesn't matter, you know. Like, you know. Okay, let's see.
I still want the buzz.
Let's see what I want to do next. Yours look good.
For that, her buzz. It's still how I did that. We see a box. We see a box. Oh, green, that's green, that's blue. And those. And she's gonna be reading. And this box.
This might be a blue snowman because I don't know what other color to make.
All these pictures. This is a new and what does stick on there? What does?
Those hang on the thing when you get all done with it.
Oh.
Like you put it on it and you hang it on the tree.
Oh. Are you seeing? What am I? What am I? I'm gonna make this pop. The head and.
I should have colored his cheeks pink or like red or whatever, but I didn't think about it.
Okay, so.
I think it looks alright. Some blue skin in there. I'm gonna say it don't have to be perfect. It's just like you're having fun. Who cares? Here's another one. I think it turned out pretty good. I wish I did the cheeks like a different color. I don't know what I'm gonna do with that. You alright?
That is moving. That is moving. That is moving. That is moving. That is moving.
Let's get this started.
Yes, the working on Buzz. Buzz.
Alright. We will be back when we get all done so that we don't have to sit here through a whole video of us watching us color this. So I'll see you when we get back. Alright, bye. We're back. I just want to show you a little update of how we're doing. There's this one. Of course, I changed this little guy. I tried to make it look better. This one didn't turn as good as I was hoping, but it's okay. I think this one turned out pretty good.
What's he? Oh.
Want to show yours too? Show yours too if you want. And see this? That one? And what about the other one? Where's the other one? Here's this one. Okay. Oops, sorry, didn't mean to touch it with my hands. Okay. So, that's pretty much it, because, like, we're still coloring, and, it's probably, like, after 5 now, so we're just, like, coloring our ornaments, and, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching. We enjoyed doing this. I think it was really fun. We're still gonna do it, though, after we get done, but, I just wanted to show you guys, how we're doing now, see you guys on the next one. Maybe then I'll do, like, a Christmas wreath. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you guys so much for watching, and have a happy, or well, I guess we would say a happy Thanksgiving, because that's the next week. Merry Christmas. Everything is coming up soon. It's crazy, but check out the blog that's up down below in shift below. I did a Thanksgiving recipe blog ideal, and go check it out. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I think I had fun. Did you have fun doing it?
No, I'm not done.
I know you're not done. We're still gonna do it. But did you have fun coloring though?
Yeah, I'm not done. I'm not done.
Yeah, you like coloring, huh?
Yeah, I'm not done.
Okay, well, we're going to continue doing what we're doing, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, hope you guys have a great day. That's all. XOXO. Bye!
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. The tidings we bring to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas.